What's the meaning of arrogate? Arrogate. Arrogate.
Arrogate. Arrogate. The word arrogate means to claim or seize something without justification or authority. It implies taking something that belongs to someone else with a sense of entitlement or presumption. When someone arrogates something, they often do so without considering the consequences or legality of their actions. The result of arrogating something can lead to conflict, disagreements, and potential legal repercussions. It is important to recognize and respect other people's rights and property, as arrogating something can have negative consequences for all parties involved.